Hi there, YouTubers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, good day. Welcome to another little video of the RC Whisperer. If you do like my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell button, hit all the buttons. But anyways, let's get into this little video that I've got for you guys today. I'm sure you guys have seen many of these videos or something like that. But anyways, here we go. And if you watch my channel, I hope you enjoy my content. My videos is to entertain and to inform you guys and maybe give you guys some top RC tips. Anyways, well, my little gear changing servo from the HE trasped Hummer. They provide these cheap, crap servos, and well, I was driving with it, and apparently, as you can hear and see, the gear on top here, it's missing a tooth. So well, I thought, just to keep it original, I went online, I checked if I can get some replacement gears for this thing. I mean, you just have to get replacement gears for mini servo. You don't need to buy the whole servo itself, but they were more expensive than buying this little mini servo with all metal gears inside here. So yeah, I pay more for plastic gears to replace in here than a complete servo. So I decided, well, I'm gonna replace the whole thing. All I have to do is just replace the wire, because as you can see, the original one is a bit longer because it's mounted on the back of the truck, and it has to go all the way forward into the receiver. So yeah, I just got to lengthen the wire. I'm gonna lengthen it and then, well, get to you soon. Or get back soon to you. Just got to get some what do you call it again? These shrinking tubes. I'm just going to use the small little ones and a slightly larger one. Wire stripper, some cutters, and a light, of course, for the shrinking tube. Well, see you in the next video. Well, here we go. Yeah, just kept the original sticker onto here for channel 6 on the original wire. So just to let you know where it goes, but I knew it was going to go to 6. But for future reference, there we go. Just lengthen the wire and just keep the old servo for parts or whatnot, especially the insides of the circuitry board or something. If this one breaks, and you can always just put in this one, or just all for other RC cars or whatnot. But I've got another one of these, which I'm going to replace in my military Humvee of the HE trasped, which I have. If you watch my other videos, and I've got both of them. I've got the military version, and I've got this civilian version. Well, let's get it installed. I've got to take it apart, install it, and then I'm going to connect the batteries and see if it works. Well, see you in the next video. Well, I've got it installed, so here we go. This is just in neutral, so there's not in gear, and then put into high gear, low gear. Sweet! So works perfectly fine. Well, guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks again for subscribing, and see you next time. Bye. See ya.